Found EXD files in your Office installation folders and wondering what they do. These are control cache files that sometimes cause Office issues. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain these Microsoft Office control cache files. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic EXD corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. Users encounter EXD files, often named MSForms.exd, when troubleshooting errors with ActiveX controls or forms in Microsoft Office applications like Excel or Word. These files are temporary caches that can become corrupt, leading users to search for instructions on how to delete them to resolve application freezes or errors. The EXD file is a binary cache that stores type library information and extended properties for ActiveX controls used in MSForms. This design was intended to speed up the loading of forms and controls by pre-processing and storing this data, avoiding the need to query the controls directly every time a document is opened. In most cases, EXD files work best with Microsoft Office 365 created by Microsoft Corporation. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows relies on correct contents, so altering system files may cause malfunction. Open the context menu on the EXD file and choose Open With. Your priority is testing Microsoft Office 365. If it fails or is absent, select another program and test until you get access. If your EXD file will not open yet, do not panic. The problem with this EXD file isn't complicated, it's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, safe removal. EXD files are regenerated automatically when needed, making them safe to delete to resolve various Office issues. Locate EXD files in folders like %, 10%, %app data, %/Microsoft SWAT forms, or %local app data temp. Close all Office applications, then delete EXD files. Office recreates them as needed when controls are next accessed. Next, resolving Office errors. Delete EXD files when experiencing Office issues with VBA forms or ActiveX controls, particularly after Windows updates that affect control registration. This often resolves errors like object library invalid or compilation errors in VBA projects that previously worked. The cache rebuild forces Office to reread updated control type information. Finally, automation scripts. Create batch scripts to automatically clean EXD files for IT administrators managing many Office installations. Use commands like del, s, q%app data %wild Microsoft forms file.exe to remove cached files across user profiles. This is useful in enterprise environments where Office issues affect multiple users with similar root causes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.